同學，今個禮拜咧，我哋會開始咧試下做 listening 嘅。咁如果你有 listening book 嘅話咧，咁請你拎出你嘅 listening book 同埋 data file。如果冇嘅話咧，咁其實咧已經老師將 PDF 檔咧會上傳咗，咁你都可以咧拎嚟睇、拎嚟用，或者咧就繼續去睇呢段片，咁去完成一齊去聽，一齊去試下做練習嘅。OK， 我哋今日咧會主要講 Unit 5.1 and 5.2 and exam practice。咁我哋而家開始啦。First of all, we have to learn the words here. Okay, so first I have written down the meaning, the Chinese meaning for you. And if you want to know more about the words or how it is pronounced, you can go to this website. 你可以用 QR code 咧去聽呢啲字嘅。咁我哋而家咧都可以一齊跟住讀一次 behavior, diet, extinct, illegal, biodiversity, ecosystem, habitat, lifespan, clearing, endangered, hunt, loss。好啦，咁有啲字咧可能比較複雜嘅話咧，同學你可以嘗試下咧去分音節嘅，like this word behavior，OK behavior，and then diet 咧有兩個音啦 ，OK， 好啦 illegal 咧我哋可以一齊學嘅喎 ，for legal 咧係解合法，如果你加咗 il 咧 illegal 咧就係解不合法咁解啦。OK， and this word biodiversity， 首先 bio 其實咧就好多時候我哋有生物科叫做 biology 啦 ，bio 都係解生物嘅意思 ，biodiversity 就係生物多樣性啦。OK，ecosystem。ecosystem and for eco 咧就係解生態 system 就係解系統 alright and for other words like lifespan okay life 解生命 lifespan means how long can you live okay and this one clearing endangered hunt lost好，同學，我哋而家一齊咧嚟睇下咧exercise 1咯喎。exercise 1你可以自己聽都得嘅。咁有幾樣嘢留意啦。Alright, listen to the conversation about the Youth Wildlife Week。呢個年青人嘅野生動物週。And in this table, you have two things to be filled in. First, name of the activity. So here should be the name of the activity 係寫名稱嘅。And this one you need to take the corresponding type of activity 個活動嘅種類。So there are 4 types of activity. First of all, presentation, video show, workshop, video game. And then you need to know when you are asked to fill in the blank, you need to think about which part of speech of the words should be used。咁咧，當你見到填充嘅時候，你經常要諗嘅咧就係、究竟呢啲字應該要寫咩嘅詞性咧？例如 young 係名詞 ，v 係解動詞啦。OK，internet trade 網上交易同埋啲咩嘢咧？OK，funny 係形容詞有趣嘅咩嘢？OK，relationship 係解關係A 同 B 之間嘅關係，咁你要聽清楚。And this one protecting habitats 係關於咧係棲息地嘅。Forest 解森林啦。Alright， mix 令到啲動物會點樣咧？呢個咧我哋就要用到 verb 噶咯喎。咁如果你預備好，我哋就一齊試下去聽啦。咁同學，如果你需要有taste script 嘅話咧，咁你可以去打開個 taste script 去自己睇一睇啦。大家可以將聲量
Exercise 1. Listen to the conversation about the Youth Wildlife Week and complete the activity table below.
Ida have you seen the notes of the meeting about the activities for the Youth Wildlife Week?
I've got the file, but I haven't read it yet. I've heard that there are lots of interesting activities.
Yes, there are. There are some that I really like.
Tell me more.
Okay, for example, there is a presentation called Internet Trade and Endangered Animals.
Internet trade and endangered animals.
Yes, it's about how body parts of endangered animals are illegally sold online.
It makes me feel very sad that some people are so selfish and silly. Both sellers and buyers only think about themselves.
Yes, I hope the presentation will make people more aware of the problem. Anyway, the second activity is less sad. It's a video show called Funny Diet and Funnier Behavior.
Oh, funny diet and funnier behaviour.
Yes, it's about funny diets of different wild animals. Also, it shows some really funny and hilarious behavior of some wild animals.
Well, I surely will go to this video show.
So will I. The next activity that I want to join is a workshop called Relationship Between Ecosystems and Our Food Sources. I think it will be a very interesting workshop. Many of us know about protecting ecosystems, but we never really understand how ecosystems are related to our food sources.
That's right. I believe if people know the important relationship between ecosystems and our food sources, more people will pay attention and they will be more willing to take action to help.
Yes, I agree.
So, any more activities that interest you?
Yes, there's a video game called Hunting the Illegal Hunters. I've seen some staff members play the game as a trial. The game is about how a team of wildlife police officers hunt down illegal hunters of wild animals. It seems very exciting.
Well, just the name of the game is exciting enough. Hunting the illegal hunters.
I can't wait to have a go myself.
We can be a team.
Yes. There's one more video game which is about the importance of protecting habitats, especially forests. The game focuses on how forest clearing makes animals go extinct and how protecting forests can save more wild animals.
Oh.
It's an educational video game. It aims to inform players about how forest clearing makes animals go extinct.
So do players also learn about what kinds of animals are likely to become extinct when people clear forests?
I'm not sure, Ida. I will ask about that.
Yes, please. I like the idea of this video game. I may even ask my whole family to play the game so they know that clearing forests is not good for wildlife survival.
I'll tell you once I get the answer.
Thanks.
That's the end of exercise 1. 咁如果同學有需要嘅話呢，你可以去重新再聽一次啦。咁喺嗰啲recording 入面呢，你可以即係不斷聽，同埋呢，你可以用一個 software 呢去較慢啲嘅速度嘅，係啦。Turn to the next page。咁揭去下一頁嘅時候呢，我哋會一齊呢去學習Skill Master completing tables 完成表格。It is a very common practice to fill in a table in a listening task. And in this task, you need to fill in the missing information in the table or a form. 你呢要去填充，去將啲空格啦、留空咗嘅資訊呢去填充嘅。So when you complete a table or form, you should pay attention to. 你需要留心幾樣嘢嘅。Number 1, titles and headings. 究竟佢嘅標題係啲咩啦？In this example, Wildlife in Danger is the title. It can give you the main idea of this content. Main idea 即係佢可以咧讓你知道大概佢講乜嘢啦。Information given in the table. 咁然之後有咩嘅資訊呢 ？Right? Okay, headings. Like these are headings. 佢就話俾你聽有需要咩種類嘅資料你去填寫。咁呢個就係嗰個嘅詳細啦。Okay. And next, you need to pay attention to the instructions on how to fill in the information. Okay, for example, you may be asked to put a tick， 可能咧你要去 tick 啦 ，underline 去間線啦 ，circle 去畫圓圈啦 ，OK 去圈出個答案。Often you do not need to write the answers in full sentences， 你咧未必需要咧去寫完整嘅句子㗎。You only need to write down the key information， 你只需要揾咧即係重要嘅資料。OK， so this one here， 咁我哋一齊睇個表啦。呢個係個 title，these are the title and these are the headings, and here it says the highlighted parts are given information and they are also part of the answers。 佢哋都係咧答案嘅一部分嚟㗎。咁然之後你就填充呢度啦。Read them carefully to make guesses， 你可以咧去猜一猜究竟咧佢嗰個答案咧係啲咩。OK。And in the bottom part it says past participle as adjective. What does it mean? Past participle are formed from verbs that usually end with ed, d, t, or en. They can be used to describe the situation or condition of somebody or something. 好，咁呢個咩意思呢？首先同學你需要知道幾樣嘢。首先 past participle 中文叫過去分詞 ，it is one of the verb forms 係啦。And it is used in perfect tense。佢咧係完成式嘅，咁即係咩意思呢？好，我哋一齊睇下依個 table 啦。咁呢個咧 infinitive 就係咧本身動詞即係最嘅根啦。OK， 即係個動詞最 original 嘅版本啦。It is the we can say it is the verb, the base verb, alright, to be, to come, to do. And when we use it in past simple tense,we change it into the past tense form, okay? But for past participle, like when we use it in present perfect tense, we will change be to been, come to come, do to done, right? So this is past participle. 咁過去分詞就係呢個最原本嘅，當我哋用於現在完成式過去完成式嘅時候，個完成式嘅動詞呢，我哋就將佢變咗做呢一種嘅。咁你會見到啦，好多時候嘅 ending 呢，如果係 regular 嘅話呢，就係加 ed 啦。咁如果佢係有時候呢，你通常會見到 en 都會好多嘅，係咪？係啦。OK， 咁正常即係普普通通嘅話咧，佢都會同 past simple 咧一樣嘅。咁但係一啲 irregular verb 就好似呢啲咁樣咧，佢就會有唔同啦個 past participle。OK， 咁而家佢咧嘅重點係咩咧 ？It can be used as adjective， 佢可以咧用作咧形容詞嘅喎。例如你見到呢一度啦 ，OK，The South China tigers are critically endangered。OK， 咁首先個S 就係 subject 就係嗰個嘅南華嘅老虎啦，然之後 R 就係個 verb 啦。呢度咧唔係一個 verb 嚟嘅喎，佢係用咗一個形容詞，係講緊咧佢變得咧瀕臨絕種。OK，this one the ruined forest。OK，forest 係嗰個嘅名詞嚟嘅，咁然之後咧，所以佢擺喺前面，所以呢個咧就係一個 adjective 嚟嘅，形容佢受到破壞嘅雨林。OK，the ruined rainforest used to be full of different wild animals。嗰個咧受咗即係被破壞咗嘅雨林咧，以前 used 曾經咧係充滿住好多唔同嘅野生動物㗎。Okay, so you know that past participles can be used as adjectives now. Okay. So now we can try exercise 2. In exercise 2, you are asked to fill in a table about 2 iconic wild animals. Okay. Icon, you know the word icon, right? 即係嗰啲標示啦。2 iconic wild animals, that means they are very famous, you can say. Okay, so these are gorillas and killer whales. 就係猿猴啦，同埋殺人鯨啦。Okay, And then after we look at the title, these are the title, right? And we need to look at the headings. 咁我哋睇下啲 headings， 我哋要寫啲咩咯喎 First of all, this one, population 解人口，咁即是話咧，我哋咧喺呢一度嘅話，我哋咧應該係要揾寫數字嘅 ，write down the number, okay? Alright, number. And next, habitat. That means where do they live? It should be a place. 係應該係一啲地方啦。It can be continents， 可能係大洲，可能咧係一個地方名，可能咧係一個區域。It can be a place, maybe a continent, somewhere they live, a district. Okay, and for diet, 日常飲食。Okay, so here is the number, about 80%, about 17%, and stems, okay, stems, for example, there is a flower, and the stem means 莖部就係佢依個柱啦 okay, and 3% of them eat small insects. And for killer whales, 殺人鯨咧 alright, specific 係主要啦 okay, 即係係啦，佢主要係咩咧 Some mainly eat, while others mainly eat marine mammals. Marine mammals, for example, dolphins, mammals in the sea. 可能海豚啦 OK, marine 海洋 mammals 哺乳類 and the behavior, so do they live in groups or alone? 佢哋係群體啊定係獨居嘅咧 OK, so this is behavior. And for lifespan in the wild, that means how long can they live? Okay, once you know the instructions, then you can start doing the listening task.
Exercise 2. Listen to the conversation about 2 iconic wild animals and fill in the missing information in the table below.
Jeff, have you finished the project on iconic wild animals?
Almost. And you?
Oh, yes, I finished it last night. You know, I have learnt much more about gorillas through the project.
Gorillas are very interesting animals. One thing I do know about them is that they display many human-like emotions, such as happiness and sadness.
That's correct. Well done, Jeff.
Thanks.
By the way, what is the iconic wild animal featured in your project?
I've decided to feature killer whales in my project.
What? Killer whales? They're horrible animals. They are called killer whales.
Ruby, you are wrong. Many people have many misconceptions about this beautiful animal. I'll tell you more about it in a minute. I have a few questions about gorillas. I think you may be able to answer them.
OK, what are your questions?
Firstly, are gorillas on the endangered species list? And how many of them are living in the wild?
Gorillas are critically endangered. That means they are seriously endangered and may become extinct in the near future if our efforts to save them fail.
Oh dear.
There are only about 1,200 gorillas living in the wild.
What? Did you say about 1,200?
Yes, that's right. Only about 1,200 in the wild. What about killer whales? What's their population?
Well, nobody knows for sure about the population of killer whales because they are difficult to find. Though we are not sure about their population, what we do know is that they are an endangered species.
Right. So where do killer whales live?
In the ocean, of course.
Ha ha, funny. I mean, in which parts of the world do they live?
Well, they mostly live in colder seas around the world.
Oh, they live in colder seas.
Yes, colder seas around the world. What about gorillas? Do they live in Asia?
No, gorillas live in Africa. I mean, their natural home is Africa.
I see.
Yes, they can be found in African countries like Congo, Uganda and Rwanda.
Right.
Gorillas are amazing animals.
And so are killer whales.
But killer whales are fierce. They eat other animals.
Gorillas eat other animals too, don't they?
Actually, no. Gorillas' main diet is fruit. In fact, their diet contains 80% fruit, 17% leaves, seeds and stems, and the rest, 3%, is small insects.
Oh, I didn't know that. So gorillas are largely vegetarian. Their diet contains 80% fruit, 17% leaves, seeds and stems. So they are mostly vegetarian.
You can say that. Anyway, back to your killer whales. What do they eat?
Well, one interesting thing I've found out is that killer whales are diet specific.
Diet specific? What does that mean?
It means that they only eat certain foods. In their case, some killer whales mainly eat fish, while others mainly eat marine mammals.
Oh, I didn't know that. Some killer whales mainly eat fish, while others mainly eat marine mammals.
Yes, they don't eat everything in the ocean.
Very interesting.
There is something even more interesting about killer whales. Their behaviour.
OK, tell me.
Killer whales are highly social.
Highly social, so they live together in a group?
Yes, they live closely together in a group, usually a family group.
That's quite similar to gorillas. Gorillas also live in family groups.
I see. Ruby, do gorillas have a long life?
They live between 30 to 40 years in the wild.
Oh, only 30 to 40 years. That's very different from killer whales.
Really?
Yes, most killer whales in the wild can live for over 50 years. Some even live into their 90s.
Wow! So they live a rather long life, over 50 years.
You can say that when compared to many other wild animals.
That is the end of Module 3, Unit 5.1.
同學，咁聽完啦，如果你有需要可以再聽過，咁亦都有好多生字你可能想去學嘅，咁你都可以去睇返 Tastscript 嗰度。希望同學可以除咗聽之餘啦，都可以學到唔同嘅英文生字。